Mondeo door disassembly. Mondeo door disassembly. Here is 1, 2, and in that area 2 another Phillips head screws what I need to open. One screw what I open, Phillips head in here, and I use my electric drill. And there is this screw, it's free, and then we go next. Here is next one. Good. And then we look in that side area. There is next Phillips head screw. And there is next in this area. Okay, good. And now these parts are free. And then this door handle cover, I need to open that, and let's go to look closer. Really like in hidden 2 screws, and I need to install sharp knife in here and bend this cover out. It looks like that, and then when we look in their inner, there we can see those 2 screws in here, and let's open those. Here are those 2 Phillips head screws. When I install my screwdriver, this is first one, and this is second one. Now when I remove these screws, now this my cover is moving really well. And now when I really remove those screws, now this outer cover is loosened. Okay, now when these screws are free, I can lift this my cover away, and then there is one connector. What is this? Power windows connectors in their inner area, and when I press this side, I can release this connector in here. This switch, okay. Now this whole part opens, and we can see this switch in there. There is really this power windows switch in here, and my purpose was to press in this way, but in that way what I made, we can also remove this power window switch. Then when I like to remove the speaker, there are Phillips head screws what I need to open in that way. First one, second, third, there is fourth, and then there is one left. There is this final one. There are that one first. And let's look now. Now speakers are moving, and now these our speakers are almost free, and only final connector, and now speakers are free, and we can install in their new speaker in that area. Okay, and then when I am going to look this door handle and door lock, I need to open these insulation materials carefully, because I have to reuse these, and I can also purchase new parts, and then we can look this door handle in there. This door handle, there are now 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws, and let's go to open those. Okay, and then I take small head torques, drill bite, and this is my first. Okay, this was this is not suitable. I have better sides. This drill pipe. And then let's open. Okay, now this opens well. First screw and then next one. Then there is next screw, and for that I install my tool in here, this position. And let's open. Difficult. Good. Now this screw is in, and then we can go forward.